Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Canva website to GoDaddy domain at 2026. So what you need first, you'll need to make sure that you have a Canva Pro account, the website already published in Canva, the domain both from GoDaddy, and you can log into GoDaddy DNS. So now if you have the requirements, you will need to open the Canva, then just go with your website. So for example, I will use that one, just set an example with. Then all you need to do here is go and click on the share button or share button on the top right corner of the page. So just click that button and here you will need to go with website. So right now, if you didn't add a custom domain before, you will see an option just right here. It says use a custom domain below. Okay, so you will see it just as that one. It's use a custom domain and not get a new domain. Okay, then just click it and connect a new domain. So all you need to do after that to enter your domain that's recommended, and then just click continue and leave this Canva tab or page open. So Canva will show you DNS records usually, and you will see one of these at first: CNAME record or TXT record. So don't guess copy exactly what Canva shows. So on your GoDaddy, you will need to create an account here as well, and then you will need to click on My Products option. So you will find it on your account. Then click on Find My Domain and click DNS. So scroll to DNS record and click Add. And after that, you will need to add the Canva DNS record in GoDaddy. So if Canva gives you a CNAME, you will need just go to your Daddy here and type the CNAME and the host, the 3Ws or www, and then just that and type your site, the Canva.site, and then the TTL. So then tap on or click on save. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.